The Barris Global Research Triangle on the outskirts of Bangalore is built over an area of 21 acres. However, with over 2,000 people working inside the building, 72% of the area is dedicated to landscaping, creating open spaces that are conducive to a productive work environment.
You see here, this is not a typical building where the BPO, CPO kind of a thing, where everything is measured by virtue of square foot. This is the entire concept is research triangle. We have about over 2,000 people working here, and all of highest grade, PhDs, doctorates, and things like that. And they require a nice connectivity. They don't want a cramped kind of a building outlook. So that is how we did here.
The lobby and office spaces are primarily lit by the sunlight, saving precious energy. Utilizing the natural climate of Bangalore, at BGRT, features like night purging and free air cooling also contribute to pleasant indoor air quality. Be it built-in design features or the very alignment of the building, every element is meant to make the best possible use of natural resources.
Well, primarily, for us, green is not any rocket science. It is simple application of mind. So by virtue of how we located the building, the linear part facing north and south, and the southern side we kept all the services and the double skin wall. That doesn't allow any green. There is no heat gain. Okay, and the northern side we kept all the clear glazing, so you get almost 80 to 90% daylights. So by virtue of that, there is no artificial light. Normally, as industry norms, we get the building efficiency of 70% at the max. Here, the efficiency is 84%. We got 54% energy saving, 73% less water we use, and it is a zero discharge building. All that makes BGRT a name to recall.
Putting the concept of a zero-discharge building into practice, the Barris Global Research Triangle has installed systems wherein not a single drop of water gets wasted.
Water scarcity is a major challenge today. So in that, ours is a zero-discharge building. And the entire water what we use is being recycled through the STP plant, and using a membrane-based technology. So we use the treated water for topping up our cooling towers, gardening and flushing.
As part of the green initiative, we have implemented a membrane-based reactor technology for the STP, which is a micro-based membrane filtration process, wherein the water intake is there with a capacity of 300 KL liter. That is 300,000 liters of water capacity, which is reused.
An office space with a difference. The Barris Global Research Triangle's innovative design and competitive performance sets it a class apart. Thanks to its convenient facilities and well thought out safety measures, employees in the building truly have a stress-free workspace for generating the best output. Smart buildings make smart cities, and an airport is the very first glimpse of a city. The Delhi International Airport, which saw passenger traffic of over 48 million domestic and international travelers last year, was designed keeping in mind a safe and seamless experience across functions.
Building and cities are interconnected. So the first thing first is that, can we make our cities efficient? If I want to make my cities efficient, the first thing is that the constitution of the cities are the buildings. We are working here in the airport. The airport is in public domain. We are touching everybody's life, and it has to be very safe. It has to be productive, so that ultimately the overall delivery, the passenger experience, the safety of the airlines are actually to the maximum.
The smart city we talk about is the combination of all these things. And that crucial role plays smart building. The smart building is not just only to how easy operations, how safe, how environment friendly. All comes into picture actually. That's what the safe building.
Built over a 5.4 million square feet area, the Delhi International Airport is the world's first and largest airport building with a LEED Gold certification. Being sustainable even at its massive scale of operations, the airport recognizes the benefits of going green to both the passenger and to the businesses involved.
Green building journey we started the day we actually conceived this project. We all thought of that only by simply constructing a building we will not be able to, justify our uniqueness. This airport is not a basic airport, neither an agile airport. It is an absolute smart airport. Thereby, when we talk about smart, that all these systems, whether it is various the cameras, whether it is the Wi-Fi, whether it is the radios, the communication systems, whether it is the LAN or the building control systems, building management systems, or the individual control and monitoring system, what we call it SCADA. Everybody should be working upon on an automated method and should be interconnected.
Energy efficient appliances, a terminal designed using daylight, and recycled rainwater form one part of the picture. But bringing all stakeholders and agencies on one page is integral to achieving the goals of overall smart operations.
What are the various initiatives that you have taken? How we are bringing the all other ecosystems that are working under the gamut of this airport? It is not the operator by themselves. They can bring the whole system smart. We have to have everybody, like airlines, like the security, like the government officials who are in the customs or in immigrations. Everybody has to work smart or in a smarter way.
Its streamlined processes, airtight security and unparalleled connectivity have made the Delhi International Airport the smartest Indian building in 2015. Not only does it match global standards and set an example for Indian buildings, but it's all set to conquer even loftier aims.
Focus, ideate, innovate, enable.